What's up, guys? Today I have an unboxing for you like usual. So yeah, let's get to it. So it's iPhone chargers unboxing. Yeah, you know. People usually go through those fast, and that's why I need a new one. So this is a good deal that I got. So I bought this package because it was a good deal, and I might have overbought, but you know, you know what, guys? How about we just? Why is a package so hard to open? Like literally, don't make it so hard. Got this off eBay too. So yeah, eBay, you know, get everything off eBay, China. Yeah. So yeah. Need 10 of them. You already know. They're 10 foot and it's 10 of them. Yeah. Let me take the thumbnail for this video. Wait, what did it? Bruh. Am I taking those? I don't know. I might have to take it later. But yeah, it's 10 of them. Let's open one. Okay, so you've got some tape right here. Slice it up, cutting the chargers. Okay, so it says that these are 10 foot. Hold on, let me close the door. So this comes around it. Open it. These are quality. Like Apple charger quality here. Like same thickness. Yeah, same thickness. But it's like longer than me, so you already know. Okay, so focus. Why is it so bright? Okay, hold on. Let me just get it over here. So, why will it not? Okay, you can probably see that. Yep. And then the other end, just like Apple, you've got that, and it has like the little USB thing, which you probably can't see though. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment for video suggestions. Peace.